Hi there and welcome to this lecture. As I told you before, dropshipping is the art of putting the right product in front of the right person. And this rule does not only apply to dropshipping but to any e-commerce business. Let's say, for example, you want to sell this dog collar. This collar is meant to increase the safety of dogs because it lights at night and it helps vehicles spot your dog and avoid it. So, your potential customers, or in simpler words, the people who might be actually interested on your product, are the dog owners. If I don't have a dog, your product will mean nothing to me. So in order to make sales, you should be able to put your product in front of people who might actually buy it, and in our case, the dog owners. So how are you going to do that? If your store was not an e-commerce store, the solution would be easier. You would rent a store in a crowded area where you know people who own dogs cross by daily, and you will wait for them to spot your store and start buying. However, things are not that easy when it comes to selling online. Some people try to rely on organic visits to their store, maybe by putting some videos on YouTube, maybe by adding some articles on several blogs. If you go with this method, this means that you have to sit there waiting until someone goes to search engine, searched for your product, finds your store, then hits the buy button. Well, yeah, this might work, but this method is super slow and you might need to wait for a long time before making any sale. And there is a great probability that you are going to give up before making any sale. So how are you going to fix this? And what's the best way to drive traffic to your store, and not any traffic, but a well-targeted traffic that's really interested in your products? The answer is here in this master class. The best method to sell your product is to use Facebook ads. Facebook ads allows you to put your product in front of potential customers, and in this case, in front of dog owners. Facebook ads allows you to target exactly the right people. Many people say that Facebook ads are complicated and it's hard to deal with them. Well, this happens to people who didn't put any effort on learning and trying and testing. When you finish this course and after watching all the lectures, you will master how to use Facebook ads to enhance your business. I will not go into details now because later on and through this master class, we are going to tackle targeting in details. But for now, I will show you a small example on how to target your potential customers, and in our case now, the dog owners. So we want to sell this product for dog owners and we want to target them. What most people will do is, they go to Facebook and they target people who has an interest in dogs. Well, yeah, obviously you have thought about doing the same, but sadly, this is not a good targeting, because there are a lot of people who like dogs pages on Facebook but do not own dogs. And it's a complete waste of money to target people who just love dogs because they are not going to buy your product. They don't have dogs. What you should be doing is to exactly target people who own dogs. How to do that? Well, instead of targeting people who love dogs, you target people who are interested in dog food and in dog training at the same time. So, let's go to Google and type dog food. Let's see here we have, for example, this brand. We go to Facebook and we tell Facebook to target people who are interested in this food brand and in dog training at the same time. So if someone liked this food brand page on Facebook and if he's interested in dog training, he's most likely a dog owner. The probability of having someone interested in dog food and in dog training without owning a dog is very small. Now let's say, for example, that you want to sell iPhone covers. You can market your product using Facebook ads to iPhone owners. All you have to do is to write iPhone owners and you target them. Using Facebook ads, you can target people based on their sex, their age, their job, their revenue, the phone they use, the country they live in, the language they speak, whether they are married or single, whether they use Wi-Fi or not, and many other options that we are going to discuss through this masterclass. And not only that, Facebook allows you to target people based on how they interacted on your website. You can target people who bought from you to market to them a new product. Or you can target people who added your products to their cart and didn't buy, and you can offer them a discount to buy your products. You can also target people who just visited your store or people who watched more than 30 seconds of your video and many other options. Facebook algorithm is very powerful. You can even use it to target people who are similar to people who bought from you. The algorithm will analyze your buyers and see common characteristics they have and then search for people that they have the same characteristics and target them. This will most likely increase your sales and decrease the ads cost. This kind of audience is called the lookalike audience, and also in the coming lectures you will discover how to work with it. So let's say Sam here, for example, has bought your product. When you ask Facebook to target people who look alike Sam, Facebook will analyze Sam's characteristics, his age, his sex, the pages he likes, the posts he shares, the ads he usually clicks on, and then Facebook will search for people who has the most common things with Sam, and Facebook will show your ad in front of them. So if Sam bought from you, people who have so much in common with him are the more likely to buy from you. Facebook ads is one of the most powerful tools you can use to scale your business and take it to the next level. If you master Facebook ads, you will definitely be able to boost your sales. Whether you are a complete beginner or an expert, this masterclass will teach you all powerful strategies you need to know to master the Facebook ads for e-commerce. In this course, you will learn how Facebook ads works, what's Facebook Pixel and how to add it to your store, how to create highly converting Facebook ads, how to create your ads photos and videos, and how to write your ad text to make it attractive, how to start your Facebook ads campaign, how to pick your objective, your daily budget, how to find your target audience, and many other details, how to analyze your Facebook results, and how to know if your product is a winner product so you can figure out whether to scale your ads or you kill them, how to minimize your budget by mastering how to do efficient retargeting campaigns, and how to create lookalike audience, the exact marketing strategy we use to make our ads convert and increase our profit. So why I am telling you all these advanced stuffs at the beginning of this course, and why I'm not starting with the basics? Well, because I want you to be aware of the great and valuable information you are going to acquire through this course. This is not a basic Facebook ads course. This is a master class that will teach you everything you need to know in order to run successful Facebook ads campaigns. So I really recommend you to watch this course from the beginning till the end, because we are going to teach you everything from the basics till the most advanced Facebook ads techniques. So stay tuned and don't miss any lecture.